for my friends, Jack and Colleen. What's this red money? 2 James, that's a fine motorbike. A girl who feels special on me just like. Says James to red money, my head's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning, 1952.
Go Rainy!
I've seen you on the corners and cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color schemes. And he pulled her on behind and down to the Box Hill. They did.
Let's go, Rainy! We love you, baby.
What's this, James? To red money. Here's a ring for your right hand. I'll tell you next, I'm a dangerous man. For I've fought with the law since I was 17. I've robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now 21 years and I might make 22. And I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, then I'll give you my Vincent to ride.
Come on, we love you, baby. Rainy Rider.
Love you too, baby.
The best ever. The best ever.
Let's go Rainy!
Best stand-in photographer ever. Oh, shit. Gyrate your hip. Where's Jack?
I don't know!
Come down, red money, called Sergeant McQuaid. For they've taken young James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast in his chest, left no inside. Open down red Molly to his dying bedside.
Come on, give it up.
He came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road and he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry and said, I'll give you my Vincent to
Let's go Rainy!
Give it up. Give it up.
St. James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world. It's a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Nortons and Indians and Greaves just won't do. Well, they don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. Well, he reached for her hand and he gave her the keys. Says, I've got no much further use for these. I see angels on aerials in leather and chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. He gave her one last kiss and died, and he gave her his Vincent to ride.
Yeah, Rainy!